Okay, so let's take a look at how you can use LMStudio. And first thing I'm going to do is go to lmstudio.ai, and then I will be downloading one for Windows, right? So there is option for Linux, Mac, and Windows, right? So here, as you can see, I will just click on it and it should download an exe, right? It should look something like this. So I will double click on it and then let the installer start, right? So it will choose its path. We will be downloading that. Also, whenever we want to make use of any large model, we will have to make use of those models here. And so let it first run the setup. Okay, do note that some of the models here you will be finding would be in gigabytes, so you have to be patient with downloading large data. Also, you need active internet connection, otherwise these models won't be fetching any data from the internet, right? So here, as you can see, the setup has completed. It has installed LMStudio. I will close this bottom bar. Here you see, welcome to LMStudio. It has some of the features here, right? So we managed to install the LMStudio. Next thing I will show you setup of one of the models, right? Before that, we can also take a look at the available models here. So as you can see, there is Gemma 2B, Mistral, Nexus, Phi, then Zephyr, right? Some of the known models, including Meta's model, which is Code Llama, right? So this is for code. It's in size of 3.86 gigabyte, right? So we can read about it. It's basically for the programming and also for code snippets. So if you are into coding and want to generate some of the code snippets and guidance, then this model can be handy, right? Now you can also search for some models by clicking on this. Okay, so what I will do is I will choose between available models here, right? So I will go with Code Llama 7B, right? So I will download this. It is 3.86 GB, so it will take a bit of time, and considering it's in 3 GB, we will wait. Okay, so once downloaded, you can find it here. So you can always go to the folder My Models, and here you have it, right? Here you can see Code Llama Instruct. Clicking on it, you will find what available option that you have, Code Llama Instruct, right? So we can go to chat, right? And there you can also find option to choose the model, right? So I will choose Instruct, right? So accept new system prompt, right? We will reload it. It will add the respective changes, right? As you can see, it is pretty high model and it does consume RAM. Fortunately for me, I do have around 16 GB of RAM, but so make sure to have enough RAM, right? So once you have your model ready, you can click on this untitled chat and here you can type in. So let's see, if I want to check one of the snippets, I will just say write a code snippet in Python to run a simple HTTP server, right? So here, there you have one of the sentences. Okay, as you can see, it is trying to type at slow rate and CPU is consuming very high, from 50 to around 70 it is taking, and it slows down some of the time. So I don't know, maybe my CPU is pretty old considering it is i3 server. So you get the idea how to basically download a model into open LMStudio and then get one of the models to do the work for you.